Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you pay ATM on your Postmates app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Postmates app. So all you have to do, you just click on these products here. So then it's going to take you here in this list. Then all you have to do, you just here choose products for like this. I'm going to click in these products here. So then you just switch into open video here. Then all you have to do now, so you just go down here. So I'm going down here, and here can you here choose here if you want to add or extra choices here, add it in the. So then here can you if you want to add beef cheese here, so just here choose so all this price here. Then when you down, you just click in here how many you want to add. Then it's going to pay with you when you click here on add to cards, and can you pay it to on your uh, Postmates app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.